Hi everybody, D10 Dave here, and I'm at InVision showing off all the latest D10 products. Of course, we make all-in-one boards, 55-inch and 75-inch. We even make a dual 75. This is our 55, it's running Teams, it also runs Zoom. In addition to the all-in-one solution, camera, microphone, speakers, everything built in, we also have our ViewPro cameras snapped to the side. So now we can reach out, find everybody in the room, and put them all into their own box. In Teams, it's called composite mode. So if we switch into composite mode, those cameras will turn on, they'll start finding everybody in the room and put everybody into their own box. So that's the idea here. Now we can cover the entire room with all those cameras, everything you need. Over here we're showing our D10 bar. And our D10 bar can run a single screen or a dual screen. They can be touch screens if you want, but the really unique feature of the D10 bar is if you want to do dual screens, that means you can have all your people on one screen and all your content on the other, so you can always see all the remote participants. You simply mount it between the two screens, and it automatically knows the position that it's in, and now you can mount it vertically. The camera is now dead center, right down the center of the table. You get everybody perfect eye shot. And of course, we have ViewPro cameras that you can add to the bar, as well as the boards. We have controllers, they're called mates, they're here as well. And the latest thing we just announced is what we call the D10 Bar Connect. Looks very much like this bar here, does not have Zoom, does not have Teams, simply has a USB-C cable. Plug in your USB-C cable, use any application off your laptop, and you get all the nice skills of the D10 bar. And if you have the D10 app on your laptop, you even get camera controls and some advanced features while you're in BYOD mode. And that's everything we're showing here at InVision. If you want to know more about D10, just go to d10.com on the internet.